Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you are doing well. My name is Anurag Singh. Today I am discussing about a topic that is unity in diversity. As we all know, India is a big country. Its culture is 6,000 years old. India gave birth to many important religions and religious groups that reside in India. Uh, it also consists of too many other religions that come from different other foreign countries that come and reside here. People from different countries come and live in the India. There is no such character or uh, word that can describe culture. Culture is consist of so many different languages, cult, sex, creed, and people from different other countries. India has a vast culture, and for that, the people live in unity in this country. We all know that Indian culture has different type of uh, things that uh, consist different languages, art, architecture, uh, different types of people, their religion, reason, and and etc. If we talk about the religions, then in India, uh, Hinduism, Islam, Christian, Sikhism, Buddhism, and Jain live. If I talk about the data that is according to the census of 2011, then Hindus are 79.4%, Muslims are 14.2%, Christians are 2.3%, Sikh 1.7%, Buddhist 0.7%, and Jains 0.4%, and rest are the other religion people that follow in India. India consists okay, and now as other Gulf countries, as they declared their nation as a Muslim country, because most of their population is Muslim, but India choose to declare itself as a secular country or a sovereign country, mm, at the place of a Hindu country, uh, because its major population is Hindu. If I talk about, then approximately 80% of the people live here are Hindus. Uh, we have a different level of enthusiasm when we celebrate our festivals. As we all know that Hindus celebrate Diwali, Holi, Dasara, that is celebrated all across the world. Similarly, the Muslims celebrate Eid, Christians celebrate Easter and Christmas, Buddhists celebrate Buddha Purnima, Sikh celebrate Guru Nanak Jayanti, and Mahavir Jayanti is celebrated by Jains. Okay, and we on these occasions, uh, we share wishes, we greet people with wishes and share sweets by forgetting our our religious affiliations. That's why it make India a great country. We know that India has only one heart, and that is reside in our unity in diversity. Uh, and always, one thing we know that the is the Indian unity is always its strength. The time when British ruled us, our people, men and women, come together from the different culture, reason, and religion to oppose them. In his book, The Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru stated that Indian unity is not from outside; it is ingrained in them. uh, we also know that in past times our culture has faced so many economical changes and political changes, but our culture remains same and improved a lot. Culture, uh, our culture transferred from one generation to another, but it is not changed. It got updated, and there is also include harmony in them. Nowadays, the students are literate, so they know that how to maintain the brotherhood among the students, and government also taking initiative to keep the brotherhood in the students and the people of India. So government usually celebrate different type of festival to come people together. And one thing we know, all know, that when there is a sport, then we are from different cultures, we are of different color, we are of different creeds, sex, but when we play sport, we have a spirit of sports person, and that time we show our unity. Okay, and government is also uh, announcing mm, a few festivals that to be celebrated for remaining the brotherhood among the students. The week of from 12 to 18 of January is celebrated as the uh, youth festival for keeping the unity among the students. In the past times, we have faced so many distractions and so many threats from the outside bodies and foreign things. The terrorists and the foreign agents are uh, trying to remove the unity from the India. The militancy in Jammu and Kashmir and insurgency in northeast states of our country try to break the fabric of unity of India. We do not allow the terrorism to raise its ugly head in our country to destroy its basic unity. Uh, for this, and also our constitution declared India as a social and secular and sovereign country, and there is no state religion of India. Okay, so and now we have to come together, forgetting our color, creed, religion, and a reason to fight back for the harmony of India that is destroyed or trying to destroy by the foreign agents or the terrorists. Okay, so we must come together and always try to maintain the brotherhood among our countrymen. Thank you, and let me know your comment. How can I improve this in the comment box? Thank you.